Now, I will share to you my created purchasing database system. I will share to you free. You can download it on the description of this video. But before that, I will show you first how to make some settings prior to open this database. And also, I will show you how to use this database. First, you just go here, open a new blank, then open other files, then option, then trust center settings, then here trusted location. So you can assign any location of your computer. As of now, I already created desktop as my trusted location. And also, you should go to macro settings and you should enable all macros. Otherwise there are some error. Then I will hit OK. So now our database is free to open. So I will show you how to use this database. Just double click. This is our dashboard, but currently this is disabled because this is for demo only. However, you can use some other page like this one. You can add new PO, you can add new item, new supplier, and there is the PO list. Report also is not available and process area, but backup you can process. Example is one backup. So this is working. I will show you where's the backup here. This is our backup 27. So now I will show you the first, this new PO. Just make a example PO2122 order day, then supplier name. I forgot to put R. You can add new supplier. Just select new, then you can add here. So since I have already created one supplier, so I can select this one. Then order details. So let's say export or any details you want, delivery either on time or after 1 month, or specifically the date April 20, 2020. So payment terms either 3 months, let's say 3 months. Now we have an item list here. You can add another items if you need. So now we can use this one. Select, we put the quantity 50, hit tab, and another also, let's say 25, hit tab. Now you can write terms or remarks, let's say for demo purposes only. Then save. So remember, this is our PO. Then you can preview, look, and you can also convert to PDF here. Look, this is our PDF file. Or you can also print directly. So whatever you created PO, it will show you also here, PO list. So this is our PO created, this one. This is the one, right? You can delete, you can type to one photo, then you can edit this PO. Look, here. You can print another with details here. And by the way, these details you can modify here. Purchasing head, you can add here whatever the signatories. This is the PO regular, and this is another details also which showing only the specific signatories. Here it's showing total is 1750, and this is 1750 reals in words, then loss. So you can add also here by supplier. So it's self-explanatory, then save. And here is not available because this is demo, and also process email. This process email you can send directly to the supplier, and you can use also this backup as what I've shown you before. So this is it. I will exit this one, then you can edit this one. Before I told you, just edit this one, these details. You can edit freely here, and you can also change the logo, example your company logo, and also here. So this is free. You can download it in the description, and you can modify here. You can modify all the details here. You can modify also. So again, I will open. This is your. I will close again. I will open. So this is your purchasing system that